Now, if you're getting this warning of a malfunction on your Ford powertrain, well, there are a few things that you may want to do in order for you to fix this. Now, first things first is you may want to pull over safely when the warning appears. Now, if the powertrain malfunction or reduced power message suddenly shows up here, slow down, pull over somewhere safe, and then in this case the car enters what's called limp mode, which limits performance and protect the engine or transmission from further damage here. Now, it's not something to ignore, so treat it as a signal to check things right away. Now, also, once you're parked, look for simple causes like make sure you have enough fuel and that your oil and transmission fluid levels are where they should be. Low or dirty fluid can trigger this warning. So if everything looks normal, the next suspect are the sensors, now, especially the mass airflow or MAF, throttle position, or the map sensors. Now, a quick visual check for dirt or loose connection can save a lot of guessing later. Next is you may want to try resetting the system. Now, sometimes the warning is caused by a brief sensor glitch here, so turn off the ignition, wait a minute here, then start the car again and see if the message clears. Now, if you got an OBD2 scanner, plug it in and read any stored codes that'll like tell you exactly what triggered the fault, so you can also clear the code to check if it actually reappears, which helps confirm whether it's a one-time error or a real issue. Now, also, you may want to look for wiring or component issues. Now, if the warning returns, it's time to dig a bit deeper here. Now, check the wiring harness around the engine and battery for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose plugs. Now, for turbocharged models, inspect for vacuum leaks or damaged hoses, since boost issues can also trigger the warning. So a damaged wire or cracked hose can easily confuse the powertrain sensors and make the system think something's seriously wrong. And finally, you may want to get a proper diagnostic if it persists. Now, if you've done all that and the message keeps coming back, it's best to have a Ford dealer or trusted mechanic run a full diagnostic. Now, they can check for software updates, test the transmission control module, and can scan for deeper codes that a regular reader can and might actually miss. Now, catching it early could save you from costly repairs later on, so especially if the issue involves the gearbox or ECU. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.